Hello everyone, my name is Autumn Jones and this is a tutorial video for signing up for a membership event. First, you will select the membership app, and on the left-hand menu you will select the Members tab, which will take you to the different membership events, and they are in chronological order. So you can see a few that are coming up here right now. But if you want to select a different one, you can go to the calendar in the top right hand screen, and then you can toggle through the different months and select the date. And right now we're signing up for Mocked Up Your Dream Home, so you will select that. And on the bottom left hand in the screen you'll see Book Class, so you will select that button, and then a new page will come up and it will say Success, which means that you've successfully signed up for the membership event.